Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own kimchi. First, gather your fresh ingredients like napa cabbage, radishes, and carrots. You'll also need a few key spices for the paste. This process is simpler than you might think, and the results are incredibly rewarding. We'll cover everything from preparation to fermentation, ensuring you create delicious, homemade kimchi. The first crucial step is preparing your napa cabbage. Cut it into manageable 2-inch pieces. Next, you'll brine the cabbage in a salt solution for about 2 hours. This draws out excess water and seasons it. After brining, rinse the cabbage thoroughly at least 3 times to remove extra salt. Finally, ensure it's well drained before moving on. Now let's create the heart of your kimchi, the flavor paste. In a bowl, combine gochugaru, minced garlic, and fresh ginger. Add fish sauce, a touch of sugar, and a little water to achieve the right consistency. Stir in sliced green onions and shredded radish. Mix everything well until you have a thick, spreadable paste that's bursting with flavor. With your paste ready, it's time to combine everything. Wear gloves to mix the flavorful paste thoroughly with the prepared cabbage. Pack the kimchi tightly into a clean jar, leaving about 1 inch of head space. Allow it to ferment at room temperature for 2 to 5 days, tasting daily. Once fermented to your liking, refrigerate it to slow the process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.